Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So today we are in a Premier Inn in Rugby, Northamptonshire. This one we've paid under £60 for a night for all four of us, including breakfast. So it's very similar to the last one that I did, and it has a brewer's fare attached to it. So I'll just show you. It's obviously basic, but this is a family room. So it's got the double bed and it's got the two single beds, and if you're outside on this one, there's a garden view, and I do believe that's supposed to be the canal behind us there. And then over there we have the pub and seating areas. You can actually sit outside here as well. So yeah, that's the that's that. So you got the TV, obviously shows plenty of channels. We have a kettle and we've got a couple of cups with spoons, and you get some tea bags and some coffees and some milk. And then you got obviously lockers, cloak hangers to hang your coats up. And then I'll just quickly show you the bathroom. It's very basic, obviously. It's a overhead shower and a toilet. We're only staying for the one night, so yeah. We're only staying for the one night, so yeah. So that's it. That's all there's to show you here. I'll probably try and show you briefly the breakfast in the morning. But first impressions, really good. The staff, very polite indeed. Don't know what the chap's name was, but it was very polite man. So yeah, and he explained everything very, very clearly. We don't always get that in these places. They just want you to sign in and then tell you where your room is, and that's it. But this guy told us everything about the breakfast, and yeah, gives us all the information we needed, told us where extra tea and coffees were and how to get in, and yeah, it was great. So yeah, good impression and a great price. We'll get some toast. Actually, you gotta wait for the milk, that's the last thing. I'm going with the fried eggs. Cheers then. So yeah, these are the cooked options. I would say it was all freshly cooked. I had no complaints with any of the food. It was actually really good. I've been to other Premier Inns, nowhere near as good. This one was actually bang on. The chap behind who was cooking the food also offered us poached eggs, and he cooked them fresh. He did some for Shelley. She was very happy with it. Yeah, fantastic. Can't really fault the place. The rooms were comfortable. The staff were absolutely fantastic. Some of the best staff I've ever come across in Premier Inns, honestly. And that goes for the reception staff and also the staff in this little area. They were brilliant and super attentive, and kept the place spotlessly clean. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. And it makes a great base for business, because there's business estates all over, and a great place if you just want to visit Rugby. The retail park is right next door. So yeah, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one, folks. Bye.